Hey guys, this is going to be an unboxing of my first Tackle Grab subscription. The first subscription you get is a 1 month and you can get it for $5, free shipping, so it's $5 all in. I wanted to try it out to see how I liked it. I'll probably end up doing it more because I love it so much. They give you great tackle and it's great prices, so we'll go ahead and open up to see what we get. First up, we got some Lockett Lures Outlet Sankos. These are 4-inch Sankos, watermelon with red fleck. These are great Sankos for springtime, especially when the bait fish aren't as big. Next up, we got these Bass Candy Baits 3.5-inch croaker frogs. These are going to be great at top water. Weighted hook, probably a 1/8 ounce weighted hook. These are in green pumpkin with red silver belly. It's a 2-pack. They give you sample packs. They're not going to give you the full pack. And there's 2 more things in here. Next up is the Freedom Jigs. I'm really excited to use these. I actually wanted to pick some of these up. These are the Stealth model in 1/2 ounce, and the one comes with a jig, and the other one's just a hook. These things are great. You can twist off the hooks. You can put on your own hooks, whatever size you want. So whatever fits your needs, you can put on. That's what's great about these. So I'll recommend you checking out Freedom Tackle. And last up, we got the Comanche Doctor Spinnerbait Platinum Edition. I have one of these. It's just not the platinum. It's the normal edition. These are really expensive. These are like $10 or $11, and you get these in Tackle Grab, so that's great. This is, I believe, the 1 ounce model. They didn't check it off, but I weighed it. It was just over an ounce, so this is a 1 ounce model. It's almost like the shad head, the silver and white with the red gills, and then it's a green stripe, green in the middle with some black fleck, I guess. These blades are the Comanche blades, and so I can't wait to use this. These are made and assembled in Canada, so that's good. And the last thing, they just gave you some stickers and some discounts. Tackle Grab sticker, and 10% off your first rod purchase from Orbit Premium Fishing Rods. That's it for the Tackle Grab unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. There'll be a mystery tackle box coming up soon. I tried that for the first time too. That's going to be coming in any day now. So can't wait to get that. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, guys. Thanks.